1 in 3 people when look at sun sneeze immediately. It is a genetic quirk called photic sneeze reflex. Despite so many people being affected by it, no one really knows why it happens. Sun does a lot of things for Earth, like supporting life, giving energy, and 100 more things. It is at a distance of 91 million miles or 146 million kilometers from Earth. But what would happen if it came at a distance of 500,000 miles or 800,000 kilometers from Earth for 1 second and then went back? Hey everyone, this is TyroScience, simplified science to make you smarter. So why 500,000 miles and 1 second? Well, it's kind of pointless to discuss if it were nearer or longer, because it's not hard to imagine that it will burn everything off. 1 second is where things get really interesting. And believe it or not, super cold. We will come back to it in some time. Let's just say it's not important how it happens. Maybe instant transmission or some super advanced alien species with weird sense of humor. At 500,000 miles, Earth will instantly come under Sun's outer layer called corona. Earth is pretty resilient though, and it will not be destroyed by just 1 second of sun. But that 1 second will give the radiation equal to that of 10 hours instantly. If you're in the part of Earth where it is night, you will be more or less safe from radiation. But on the other side, all the living things will die instantly. Every part will receive energy equivalent to that of a mid-sized nuclear bomb, but not the pressure part, only radiation and ionizing energy. All the flammable things will catch fire and all the forest in half of the globe will start burning. The upper layer of oceans will lose entire life. Lower layers, however, will more or less be safe. The sun is a massive object with massive gravity, so it's bound to affect Earth gravitationally. But how is a bit complicated, and it depends on a lot of factors like moon's position. Without venturing into a ton of complicated calculations, there are basically two scenarios that can happen. Either it can put us into a closer orbit with a lot of hot summers, or a farther orbit with a colder climate. In either case, there will be a lot of earthquakes and possibly volcanic eruptions. And yes, the moon. It can either be thrown out of the orbit and go rogue, or in worst case scenario, it can crash into Earth. And let's just say that won't be good. And strangely, all of these things will happen after sun is long gone. In either case, one side will be on fire with volcanic eruptions. This will cover the entire atmosphere with ash and dust. That will start years of nuclear winter. Though Earth and life is pretty resilient, and it most certainly will survive that. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And as always, keep learning, keep exploring until you know everything.